You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long addition. The final result is 188.989. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom, aligned by their place values. Add up the digits in each column, from right to left. 5 plus 9 plus 5, equals 19. Carry 1 to the hundredths place. 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 4, equals 18. Carry 1 to the tenths place. 1 plus 5 plus 8 plus 5, equals 19. Carry 1 to the ones place. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2, equals 8. 7 plus 4 plus 7, equals 18. Carry 1 to the hundreds place. Write 1 in the hundreds place. And so the final result is 188.989.